So let's give this we'll throw open here and see what's it's what man they take this thing from Stamtus germs in they speak. Right. Yeah. What's involved here? Who's this? Right, so I typed this pretty cool fellow together. I don't know if we say that, like, after doing them Barnett, the one I returned with them, this one, they're very similar. However, like, streaming one of these is literally no joke. And I think the company can do a lot better in, giving you help with streaming this. Because, obviously this is under significant tension. And I think this is a 60-pound draw. The way this works is a little button back here and you push this. And then the crossbow, as you can see, I don't want to do it, but you cock it all the way back. Has an automatic safety. And away you'd go. Anyway, so I strung this thing up and over, way you go. And this one is a little bit different because the bear comes with these really beautiful anodized aluminum bolts. Whereas the Barnett, the one I returned, had kind of like composite arrow. These are much lighter, and like a typical aluminum arrow. So anyway, so it comes with 3. I didn't buy any more because I wanted to see if this was actually gonna be good. I bought a whole bunch in the other one and they just suck. So I kind of wanted to see. But anyway, I got this all done and here I was all strung and loaded and I was like, ah man, we're cocked. I didn't want to dry fire it. So I stuck in an arrow and I shot it at my very full recycling here in the garage. Anyway, it blew right through the full recycling and into the brick wall, and I ended up with, well, this. So I will caution you, and these are far less durable than the Barnett synthetic composite arrow. And this is like a very thin traditional aluminum arrow, which is now useless.